Let's do something super dramatic. I'm going to be priming my face first using the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and then I'm moving on to my brows using the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil in the shade number 4, and I like to brush through just to minimize any patchiness. And then I'm going to clean up the brow bone area, blend that out. Now let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and pretty much create a really thick wing liner on top of my entire lid. I think it's easier using a black eyeshadow versus an eyeliner because with an eyeshadow, it can move around a little bit. Once an eyeliner is on, it's not coming off, so that makes it a little bit tougher. For my foundation, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation in the color Natural Tan, and I'm using my e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush to blend that out. Then for my contour, my highlighter, and my cream blush, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever HD Skin Palette. If you guys want to see what that palette looks like, just look back on some of my older videos because I've used it in a bunch of them. I like to mix between brushes and sponges when doing my face makeup. I feel like it gives me the best skin finish, especially having so many layers of makeup on. I don't like looking or feeling cakey. Now I'm going to then set underneath my eyes using the Charlotte Tilbury Press Powder. I'm using the color Fair. That way it gives me some brightness underneath my eyes. And then I am going to sharpen my cheekbones using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and then just press that in versus dusting it off. Then for my blush, I'm using the Date Night Blush, and this is from Sephora. For my highlighter, I'm using the Reina Rebelde Coqueta Trio. It's my favorite highlighter. It's so beautiful. And then I'm just smudging out the same black eyeshadow on the outside of my waterline, and I'm using black eyeliner as a lip liner. Lastly, I am using the Rimmel London Pitch Black Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, and we are all set. Yes, for the dramatic looks. Okay, 2023.
If I want it, gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
stained with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
You gon' die if you try.